So there are two different types of inquiries that exist. There is the soft and there is a hard inquiry. When we're looking at this, a soft inquiry is a self-run credit check. If you go on to myfico.com, for example, something like that. When you're getting a credit card and you've already been pre-approved, they've checked. They have an idea of what your score is already because they looked it up. If you're in a current relationship with a credit card company, they can check it pretty much at any time just to see where you're at, to know if they want to increase your limit, if they want to reduce your limit, whatever they wanted to do. All right, so these are the free annual credit, and if they're going to transfer balances from one account to the other. Hard ones are things like a mortgage application if you're getting a new car or getting a new card. Essentially, what this is you are asking to get credit from someone. That's the big difference. Ideally, every single time we pull credit, we have the ability to pull a soft credit report and get part of the information. But it really doesn't provide us a lot of value because we need to have a full tri-bureau credit report. So it doesn't make a huge difference, but the hard inquiry is going to have about a 5% or a 5-point hit. So if it ranges from 300 to 850 and I pull a credit report, it'll drop maybe 5 points. Now, the reason I say maybe is it all depends on how many credit trade lines that you have. And it'll stay on there for 2 years unless you ask to have it removed. They score it based upon how many inquiries within a 12-month period, but this is important. When you apply for a mortgage with multiple lenders within 45 days, it's one. It's one inquiry. It only has an impact one time. So everybody in my side of the business has learned to try and explain to borrowers, now don't go get your credit pulled because it might hurt your ability to get financed. And that is a trick to try and prevent people from shopping and going anywhere else because it has no impact within that 45-day period. So you can't get punished for shopping. That's the point, right?